How to file 2 years of taxes with TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to know is that you cannot file multiple years together. Each tax year must be filed separately. So what you want to do is get the correct TurboTax version. If filing for this year and last year, you can use TurboTax Online for the current year and TurboTax Desktop for the previous year. Now, simply download the correct version of TurboTax desktop software. After that, you want to install the software. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, enter your tax info as you normally would. That includes the personal detail. Then you want to enter your wages and income. Then enter deductions and credits. If there are any other tax situation, make sure to enter that as well. Now, review all the details that you have entered. If IRS still accepts e-file for the previous year, you can submit electronically. If e-file is closed, you want to print and mail the return. File the more recent tax year next. For that, open the TurboTax software or head over to TurboTax Online for the second year. Manually enter your tax info. If eligible, e-file the most recent return. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.